Hello, Kingston. The COVID-19 situation in the city continues to evolve rapidly. What we know at this point is that the Omicron variant has become the dominant strain of COVID in our community. It is extremely transmissible, which is driving up our local cases. In fact, as the first city in Ontario to be hit with an Omicron surge, we're now working with the province to be able to share information that will help other communities. What we still don't know at this point is how the Omicron variant affects those in older and more vulnerable populations. So out of an abundance of caution, public health is introducing new restrictions, the province has announced new measures, and as a city, we're announcing important changes as well. Kingston's Medical Officer of Health has introduced new restrictions that will take place as of this Sunday. They include capacity limits for organizations and businesses, as well as masking and physical distancing requirements. These restrictions are basically the same as what was in place with the Stage 3 reopening earlier this summer. When the current Section 22 order expires on Monday, social gatherings will be capped at a maximum of 10 people indoors and up to 25 people outdoors. Yesterday, the province also announced that it will be accelerating the rollout of booster doses by expanding eligibility to everyone 18 and over as of Monday and shortening the waiting period between a second dose and a booster dose to 3 months. In order to address the big demand for testing, the province will also be distributing free rapid antigen testing kits at select LCBO outlets and also a pop-up distribution at the Rideau Heights Community Centre this Saturday afternoon. As a city, in order to support and protect residents and also to maintain essential services, we're also making changes. City Hall will now be closed to the public, as will the municipal offices on John Counter Boulevard, in order for municipal employees to work from home where possible. However, staff at the City Payment Center, the Office of the City Clerk, and Planning, Building and Licensing will still be available to meet in person with residents by appointment. There are a number of different changes that are being announced to address this variant. If you want more detail, I'll include in the comments below a link to the letter of instruction from Public Health outlining the new restrictions, as well as the provincial and city news releases. As always, the best defense against getting seriously ill is to get vaccinated, whether that's a first dose, a second dose, or now a booster dose if you're eligible. We also need to continue to follow existing public health measures. Wear a mask, stay 2 meters apart from others, wash and sanitize your hands, and please stay home if you're sick or have symptoms. As we head into the holidays, I also encourage you to consider the risks of attending social gatherings and find safe ways to connect with loved ones, particularly if you have underlying health conditions. This is a tough stretch for us, having done so well throughout the pandemic, but we will get through this. And I want to thank everyone for your efforts in helping to keep our community safe and strong.